Hi there, please follow these simple steps to help you start budgeting. Select Start Day. Your balance overview will start from that day. Add your income name, payday and actual amount. Add budget name, due date, budget amount and actual amount. Scroll down to Transaction Tracker. Add transactions of bills, expenses, savings and debt. Remember, once you add transactions, don't change the budget names. Otherwise, the transactions will no longer be synchronized. You can change the order if you keep the same name for each budget. That's all you need to know to start budgeting. The following steps will guide through the bills tracker. Step 1. Add due days for bills and scroll down and do the same thing for debts. Check off the bills as you pay them off. If any help is needed, I'm just a message away. I'll reply as soon as possible. Happy budgeting!